Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Paybis wallet, and I'm also going to explain its main features. So first of all, come here on paybis.com. When you are here on the home page, simply select the option of crypto wallets. Now over here, you will be shown the option of your wallet, which is going to look something like this. So inside your wallet you will be shown the available balance that you have, and it will also give you the full breakdown of the cryptocurrencies that you have. You will also going to see all of the transactions here in the left hand side, and if you want to add any of the wallets, you can click on the option of add wallet on the top right hand corner of the screen. If you want to buy something, you can simply select the option of buy. So over here, in order to create your wallet, you need to first of all sign up here on Paybis. Then you need to verify your identity. After doing so, you can purchase cryptocurrency right from here. So simply select the option of buy crypto, then select your amount that you want to basically spend in order to purchase the cryptocurrency. You can also select your desirable cryptocurrency from the given list, then simply select the option of buy. Now as soon as you make the payment and you purchase the crypto, you are going to see it inside your wallet, which again going to look something like this. So basically that's how you can use it. You can also click on the option of add wallet, then you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want, and then you can create your wallet as well. If you buy crypto on Paybis for the very first time, a wallet for that particular coin can also be created automatically during the checkout. So that's how you can basically use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.